Our soul trip is about to end and ito yung naging not sponsored pero ito yung card na naging BFF talaga natin. Maraming restaurants dito, shops na nag-accept naman ng cards, so as much as possible nagka-card tayo. And itong Maribank or Cbank siya before, yung gamit na gamit ko kasi maganda yung conversion rate. And then every day, may interest in terms of savings, nakaka-earn tayo. And at the same time guys, may cashback, okay? In terms of withdrawal, okay din siya guys, kasi again, maganda yung conversion rate niya. Kung magre-register kayo, you can use my referral code para maka 150 pesos kayo na welcome gift. Ito yung referral code natin. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Sinchon. It's so lively. Mag-prepare pa rin kayo ng cash ha, kasi may mga store, shops na hindi nag-accept ng card, cash lang. And ako, wini-withdraw ko na lang siya. Di na ako nagpapa-money exchange. Kung mag-book kayo ng inyong hotel sa Agoda, you can use my promo code DAVEAGODA. Capital letters yan. Make sure to redeem on Agoda mobile app para maka 10% off kayo. I-redeem nyo yan sa deals tab sa baba ng app. And guys, pwede rin kayo mag-book ng inyong tours and activities sa Agoda. You can use my promo code REPOTAGODA para maka 5% off kayo. Valid pa rin yung Klook promo code natin. It's Dave Gino Klook para maka-discount kayo sa hotels and tours. Pero guys, one-time redemption na lang siya. So kung na-redeem nyo na, pwede kayong mag-explore sa Agoda for your tours and activities.